Gavana Mutumantu ethinge wite Meru tayari witithwa nkathi na kwasite ariti mario ekaita karao kinyite mbere ya kamiti iremurika mantu ya maingi hararombetia seneta bonthe ario seneta wa Meru Kathuri Murungi kuata mbaru ithwani ribo kenda Meru ekaithire kitherema hinyankuluki. Mwandiki wetu wa Ndeto Anthony Kathinyana tumenyithie cio na njira ikinyanirite.
Governor wa kaunti ya Meru Mutumantu aithinkia gwa kagita kangi ala mbele ya kamiti ya gusonkono tumeribwa kigina kiritengo nkurani ja thirikari ja kaunti, kamiti ya CPAC na ile tongeletwo ni seneta wa kaunti ya Vihiga Godfrey Osoti. Kamiti ino kigijaga na kanya ga gusonkono weti na mbere kile municipality ja kaunti ya Meru na kambuni ja roje ya Mewas na Meru Wasco. Maseneta bakhelini bakathi tori tungugibwaga ba kambuni ya Mewas na kwinyire bunge ya Seniti kethire gituma kambuni nge ja roje kuma kaunti ya Meru kenda kuthoma kuma ki Mewas amwe na kwinyirete kambuni ya Meru Wasco ona ebatire kwerekera ki Mewas kuthoma kenda kuthongo mirutungu gibwao.
I would urge you to, through the governor, to let us know who is the MD of Meru Water, because they have done what no other water company in this country has done. And if he talks well, I think this committee will be able to send all the other water bodies in Meru, because none of them has been able to do what they have done. We need to applaud them.
So we do benchmarking. So we said between April and June, we'll be going there, but we'll recommend now. Who is the MD Meru?
I'm Red Patrick, the MD Meru Water. Thank you.
Amona guseneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kathuri Murungi ni alute thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru ikira mibango ya gutigira kariba kaunti ino amona itengo nkuranire igitire toroje nonto bwa madeni kuona roje amona mibango gwikirwa ya bula bakari madeni mama.
So as the Meru senator, you know, I must be concerned whether these families are safe. If all these disconnections have been actualized, then there are so many households which have no water. Governor, so maybe what is the future plan?
Among the things that have made us be the best, just like you've acknowledged, is this effectiveness. You disconnect, then you engage with your customer and agree on how to repay, maybe gradually, maybe in installments, and you've heard how much you've been able to recover through that process.
Sometimes if you're able to pay maybe a part of it, we come to some agreements or MOUs that you pay part of it, and then you are reconnected, and then you pay the balance as now you consume the water.
Na okagita kaseneta Kathuri Murungi na inyirito baturubwa bunge nene kuumia kire gutigira kigina kile gukinywa kire county nige kuongereka.
I hope also our sister house can be able to come to this for 2024-2025, so that also revenues for the counties can go up. Because now we are using only tender bonds, I think for which year? 3-4 years ago. So if they can come to spend 2024-2025, even the shareable revenues, the counties will automatically go up even up to 500 billion.
Governor wa kaunti ya Meru na Mutumantu aithinkia ni ultima seneta kugwata mbaru etagalila gukiria Meru gutuika muji munene Mutuma kiuga Meru ni banganite gutuika mujojo munene.
We are ready for the city. And being the only city in Mount Kenya, we really beg for your support and also prayers and guidance, being our neighbor and our brother. That is the only city that you have.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbita Anthony, rangi wa Kathinya.